how to cancel deletion request of your Patreon account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your account closure request on Patreon. So if you have requested to delete your Patreon account and for some reason if you want to cancel that deletion request, then I will show you in this video how you can do that. And if it helps you out, please do leave a like, make sure you subscribe, comment down below, and we'll jump into the video. So while requesting your account to delete on Patreon, Patreon says that you can cancel that deletion request for 14 days. So if you have not completed 14 days since the day you requested your account for deletion, then you can easily cancel your Patreon account's deletion. But if you have completed 14 days, I think you cannot cancel your account deletion. But you should definitely try once. Cause Patreon also says that it can take up to 30 days to get your account completely deleted. So you should definitely try once even if you have completed 14 days. So to cancel your Patreon's account deletion, first go over to patreon.com and click on login and sign in to your Patreon account using your email and password. And if you have forgotten your password, watch this video on my channel. It's gonna help you to reset and create a new password for your Patreon account. So let me sign into my Patreon account. Once you signed into your Patreon account, scroll down and click on Help Center and FAQs. And again scroll down and click on your account. And again click on Delete my Patreon account. And here scroll down and click on Visit our Privacy Policy Center. And then in this page, scroll down and click on this notification type of icon. And here you can see your account is currently pending. You have begun process to deleting your account. For security purpose, we require a window of time to allow you to cancel this request. If you did not intend to make it, your account will be deleted in 10 days. So to cancel your Patreon's account deletion request, click on cancel request and click on yes. And here you can see you have cancelled your data request. And this is how you can cancel your account deletion on Patreon. And also Patreon gonna email you about this. And if you found this video is helpful, please hit that subscribe button and also like button and also leave a comment regarding this video. And if you want to change password of your Patreon account, watch this video and I will see you there.